I just made it even easier for you to get technical analysis breakdowns with AI using QuantCrawler than ever before. Let me show you what I built. It's a new Chrome extension that is currently pending. It should be live in 1 to 3 days, but I was so excited about it. I have to show you guys today what it looks like. So when it rolls out early next week, you know exactly how to use it. Okay, so here's what you do. Currently, its only integration is with TradingView. So you have to use it on here. We'll look at getting to other platforms, but this is the only place in Chrome and TradingView where the extension will actually work and pull the links as of right now. And it only works for futures. I am going to do this for Forex and crypto, but right now, I don't like to deploy everything for every single analyzer in case one of them doesn't work. Once we get people using the futures one, and it has an opportunity to break, let's say, then I'll be able to fix it. And once I know that it's bulletproof, I'll move it over to Forex and crypto. But I don't want all three analyzers to be down at the same time with the same issue. So that's why I roll everything out one by one. So we're starting with futures. It's our most popular. So those are the ones that I wanted to get going. So here's what it is. You're going to be able to download the QuantCrawler extension as soon as it is available in the extension store, which again will be 1 to 3 business days from today. Today's December 6th. At least that's what Google tells me. So you can see here the detected ticker is NQ. This works with any other ticker. So if you go to ES, you can now see that it has updated and it is now looking at ES. This works in two parts. It helps us with the ticker recognition when it gets into the QuantCrawler website. So all of these unknown ticker errors that we're getting, this is going to be resolved with this as well. So here's what you do. Let's look at one ticker, for example, that has always kind of caused us an issue is NQ and MNQ, which sometimes has a hard time getting picked up. So with that being said, we now have the auto detection here in the extensions. So you want to get your 15, 5, and 1 minute chart. So in this case, the time frame doesn't matter because of the upload order of the actual extension. So we're on the 1 minute. So if you do Control Shift and Q, you can see it says 1 of 3. It's automatically populated in the 1 minute. Just for an example, let's jump to the 15 minute. You want to truncate this down to fit, Control Shift and Q, and then your 15 minute has populated in, and then your 5 minute Control Shift Q. You now have 3 of 3 in there. It automatically loads into the analyzer. And once you click agree to the disclaimer, it automatically analyzes everything and breaks down MNQ right here with a stay away. And now you're in the QuantCrawler interface. So let me just show you a different one. We go to GC for gold. Come up here. Detected ticker is GC. We're on the 5 minute chart. Control Shift Q. 1 of 3. The chart is in there. Let's go to the 1 minute. We'll make this one look good. Kind of how you're supposed to set up your charts. Control Shift Q. 2 of 3 right here. 1 minute, 5 minute. And then the minute we click Control Shift Q on the 15 minute chart, it is going to automatically load into QuantCrawler. Again, you continue to the futures analyzer and it automatically starts going. So instead of having to come into TradingView, do the copy image, go to your browser, paste it, go back, blah, blah, blah. Control Shift Q will automatically load it into the extension. And then the minute you do your third one, it will pull you straight in. I know we've already done it twice. I'm going to do it one more time because I think it's really cool. So Control Shift Q, you can see we are on NQ. It's identified on the 15 minute. And we'll do the 5 minute chart, Control Shift Q. 2 of 3, both identified. And then the minute I click this right here, Control Shift Q, it loads. I accept the disclaimer, and I'm automatically analyzing my futures chart. Just a couple keystrokes here. It will get you going. And once this is live in the extension store, it will be a massive quality of life thing. Just to show it as well, let's just try the swing trade. You can do a 1 day, 4 hour, and 1 hour just so you guys can see that all time frames are working. I'm not going to do the intraday one. I've already tested it and know it's working, but just for the sake of the example here, I'm going to show you the 1 day, the 4 hour, and the 1 hour right here. And Control Shift Q. All three are uploaded, pulls us straight into the analyzer, starts breaking it down. And then you guys can see here 1 day, 4 hour, 1 hour, and it has your NQ charts. Everything is working and operational. Every single time it makes a new tab for you, and you can save all of these, log them however you want. but I'm excited to give you guys this extension. It is a pretty good quality of life improvement, but only available on TradingView right now. Once everything is bulletproof and dialed in, we'll get Forex and crypto working on TradingView, and then we will look into going to other platforms as well with this exact same style. But right now, TradingView is integrated, or QuantCrawler is integrated essentially with TradingView via an extension for semi automated chart analysis.